I ordered this all new Samsung Galaxy F15 5G mobile and I'm going to unbox and share the initial impressions of this mobile in this video. Also, we will check whether it is worth the hype or not. This is how the box looks like. The box is so slim, that means you know there is no charger in the box. Come on Samsung, even for mid-range category mobiles also you are eliminating the chargers and forcing the buyers to buy a new Samsung 25W charger separately. After peeling off the stickers of the box, these are the contents that we get inside this. Inside the box, you get a SIM ejector tool followed by some paperwork and a Type-C to Type-C cable. Samsung is provided the Type-C to Type-C cable here, not the Type-A to Type-C cable. So that means they are forcing the users to buy a Samsung 25W charger. If in case they're given a Type-A to Type-C cable, people can charge with any third-party chargers or even with a power bank as well, but they don't. Also, they didn't provide any back case for this mobile in the box. Finally, this is what the mobile looks like. On the back, you get 3 cameras and a flashlight to the side of it. On the top, a noise cancellation mic is there. On the right side, volume up and down button followed by the fingerprint cum power on or off button is there. On the bottom, a 3.5mm headphone jack followed by another noise cancellation mic, a Type-C slot and a speaker grill are there. On the left side, a SIM tray is available. Let's open this and check what kind of SIM tray it is. This is a hybrid slot. That means you can add 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and 1 microSD card at a time. This mobile feels a little heavier on my hand. Yes, this one comes with a 6000 mAh battery. Let's check the weight of this mobile. This one weighs around 216 grams. Also, I observed that for the unit I ordered, there is no screen guard is there. Now I'm going to quickly set up this mobile. If in case you want to watch how to set up the Samsung mobile ads free, I already posted a dedicated video on that. Check the links in the description box or else in the iCards. Now I completed the setup of this mobile. Let's check the storage and RAM available initially. Out of 128GB, 19.8GB is used, so you will get 108.2GB. Coming to the RAM, this is a 6GB model. Out of it, 2.6GB is already occupied and you will get 2.8GB. Of course, you get the RAM expansion feature in this one, which converts the internal storage into a virtual RAM. Out of the box, this Samsung F15 comes with Android 14 with One UI 6.1. Come to the app bloatware. Yes, there are some apps available. If you want, you can uninstall it also. Coming to the cameras, the main camera is a 50 megapixel and you can click the photos with this one as well. I mean 50 megapixel photo. Anyway, I'm going to post a dedicated camera review of this mobile in future, so if you don't want to miss that, hit that subscribe button right now and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notifications on your mobile. Coming to the videos, you can record a maximum of 30 FPS in 1080p or even 720p. There is no 4K recording. There is no 4K recording option is there. So after using this mobile for a couple of hours, my initial review is it's worth the price, but it's too fast to judge this mobile. So I plan to post a dedicated videos on each and every segment related to this mobile on this channel, like the gaming review, camera review, battery drain test, charging test and more. So one by one I'm going to post in this channel. So initial review of this mobile is good and I didn't feel like it's under 15,000 rupees price range. I mean, it feels like more than that. Also, I forgot to share this mobile display is an AMOLED panel, not an LCD. If in case you are watching this video lately, here are the related videos of this mobile. Definitely check these videos so you understand much more about this mobile.